Okay. Okay. Welcome to My Skills, My Future. In this live session, we are going to discuss aptitude and reasoning questions from RRB Group D previous year question paper, which was held on 25th August 2022 in shift 1. Okay. Okay, sorry for interruption. See the question here. Six poles A, B, C, D, E and F are located in the same colony. Okay, if B is 20 meters to the west of C. Okay, so first of all we will take the directions: east, west, north, south. Okay, right. See that here B is 20 meters. B is 20 meters to the west of C. Okay, see here I am taking here. So B is 20 meters to the west of C, means C is 20 meters to the east of B. Okay, I am writing here C, 20 meters. Okay, right. So if you see that B is 20 meters to the west of C, or we can say C is 20 meters to the east of B. Next, see here F is 60 meters to the south of E. Okay, see that I am writing separately. F is 60 meters to the south of E, means E is 60 meters to the north of F. Okay, right, like this. 60 meters. Here E is there. Okay, right. Next, see that C is 30 meters to the north of E. Okay, see that here C is there. Okay, I am writing like this. Here C is there. If you see that C is 30 meters to the north of E, means here E is there. So see that C is 30 meters to the north of E. Okay, right. Next, A is 60 meters. A is 60 meters to the west of B. Okay, so A is 60 meters. A is 60 meters to the west of B. Okay, if you see that here we have a relation, E is 60 meters to the north of F. Okay, or F is 60 meters to the south of E. Okay, right, just interlink this. Here F is there, here 60 meters is there, and Next is there D is 30 meters to the south of B. Okay, D, you can see that here. Here B is there. So D is 30 meters to the south of B. Okay, this is the given directions. And what is the question? That in which direction A with reference to C? Okay, so in which direction A with reference to C? If you see that A is 80 meters north to C. Okay, A is west. A is 80 meters to the west of C. Okay, A is 80 meters to the west here, west to C. Okay, option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. Right, see the question. If the time in the mirror of 12-hour clock, okay, if the time in the mirror of 12-hour clock is 3:55, okay, what is the actual time? So the question is from mirror images. Okay, if you see that if the time in the mirror is of 12 hours time, so while solving the mirror image, okay, on clocks, first of all see whether here given a 12-hour clock or 24-hour clock. Here they given 12-hour clock. Okay, so here they given 12-hour clock. So for that just write 12 hours as like 11 hours 60 minutes. 11 hours 60 minutes. From that, whatever they given, if they given mirror image or if they given actual image. So here the question, here they given mirror image of a clock is 3:55. So or else if they given actual time and we need to find mirror image, so just take 11 60 minutes, in that minus the given time. What is the given time? 3:55. 3:55. So what is the time in 60 minutes? You subtract 55, we get 5. Here we get 8. So the time is 8:05. What is the actual time is 8:05. Okay. Option 4 is correct. Option 4 is correct. Next. And see the question here. What is the least 5-digit number? What is the least 5-digit number which when divided by 15, 24, 35 and 42, the remainder in each case is 13. The remainder in each case is 13. If you see that for these type of problems, first of all you need to find the LCM of the given numbers. So first of all we need to find the LCM of 15 comma 24 comma 35 and 42. So the LCM of these numbers are 840. I am writing directly. The LCM of these numbers are 840. Okay. So and then find the 840 multiple which is nearer the numbers. Here the options are all or nearer to the 10,000. So if you see that here 840 into 10 we get 8,400 and if you see that 840 into 12, 840 into 12 you get 12 0 48 96 plus 100. So 10080. Okay, 10080, and just add this reminder, and just add this reminder, and just add this reminder. So 39001. So 10093 is the 5-digit number which when divisible by 15, 24, 35 and 42, the remainder is 13. So first we find the LCM for the 4 numbers and just check the number, the options which are nearer to the multiple. So 840 into 12 we get 10080. Okay, and just add reminder to that number. Okay, here we get 10093. Okay, so if you see that these number is nearer to the all the options in the question. Okay, so if you see that if you multiply 840 into 11, we get somewhat less than 10,000 value. Okay, so the remainder is not equal to 13. Okay, right. So option 2 is correct. Option 2 is correct. Okay, next. Right. See the question. Select the option that represents the letters that, when placed from left to right in the same sequence in the blanks below, will complete the letter series. Here the given certain letter series is there. So which alphabets will come in the place of blanks by using certain logic. Okay. So if you, before going to discuss this question, see here. So these are the alphabets which are coded with numbers and opposite alphabets. If you see that here F dash L N, if you see that from L to N, if you see that here L is there and here M N. So from L to, if I am writing here, so F dash L N dash S V dash Z C dash. If you see that here to here plus 2 is there. Okay, and next see that here SV. Okay, so here S is there, here V is there. So from here to here we have plus 3. From L to M, L to N we have plus 2. L to N we have plus 2. Okay, so here to here we have plus 3. And if you see that Z to C, okay, Z to C we have plus 3. So A, B, C, okay, plus 3. And if you see that in all the options, the first alphabet is I. In all the options, the first alphabet is I. So just fill with I. If you see that here to here, the distance F to I is plus 3. Okay, F to I is plus 3. Okay, and I to L is, see that I to L is also plus 3. Okay, right. And next if see that here plus 3, here we have plus 2, just n plus 2 we have, n plus 2 we have P, n plus 2 we have P, write P here. Okay, and P to S. Okay, so here P to S we have plus 3. Okay, P to S we have plus 3, and here plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. Again if you see that here we have a plus 2. Okay. So V2, what is the plus 2 of V? We have X plus 2. So here we have X plus 2. From X to Z we have plus 2. Okay. So Z to C we have plus 3, C plus 3 we have C plus 3. Okay. See that C plus 3 we have F. Okay. If you see that here, okay, see here, from here to here, we have plus 3, from here to here again we have plus 3. Okay. And L to N plus 2, N to P we have plus 2, here I is there, and here again plus 3, again plus 3. So here to here we have plus 2, that is V plus 2, we have X to Z plus 2, Z to C plus 3, C to plus 3 we get F, C plus 3 we get F. Okay, if you observe that plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. Yes, logic is correct. So what is the digits, alphabets are there is I, P, X, F. So I3 X F, IP X F. So option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct. Right. Next. Right. See the question here. The following table shows the number of two-wheelers sold by 5 automobile companies named K, L, M, N, O. Okay. In the 3 different years, that is 19, 20, 21. So what is the question here? Here the question is that what is the percentage share? What is the percentage share of sale of company M done in the year 2019? In the year 2019 is 235. In the year 2019, in the year 2019 is 235. Okay. So in all the 3 years taken together, okay, in the all the 3 years taken together, once again see the question. What is the percentage share of sale of company M in the year 2019? In the year 2019, in the total sales of company M in all 3 years taken together. So see that 235 is what percentage of the company's sales in all the 3 years, that is 2019 plus 2020 plus 2021. So if you see that in 2019, 235 is there. In 2020, 340 is there. In 2021, okay, in 2021, 765 is there. Okay, 765 is there. Okay, so just add these values, 235 plus 340 plus 765. Okay. So what is the total we get is 1340. 1340 is the total share of company M in all 3 years. In that we need to find what is 235, what is the 2019 share out of total sales of company M all the 3 years. Okay, so just see here what is the formula is. So percentage share is equal to sales in 2000. Okay, percentage share is equal to sales in 2019 divided by total sales in all years, that is 19, all 3 years, all 3 years. Okay, so into 100, so see that in 2019 we have 235 divided by 1340 into 100, you get the number is 17.5%. 17.5%. Option 4 is correct. Option 4 is correct. Okay, right. Next. Right. See the question. A seating arrangement question is given. Okay. See the question. J, K, L, M, N, O and P are 7 comedians sitting in a straight line row facing north. Okay. Facing north. Okay, right. So we will take just 7 members. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, right. See that here. Seven numbers are there. O and L are immediate neighbors. See that here. O, L, we can write like this, or O and L are immediate neighbors. Only 2 people sit to the left of K. So this is the left, this is the right. Okay, right, this is the left. Why? Because they are sitting in, they are facing towards the north direction. They are facing towards north direction. Okay, right. Only 2 people sit to the left of K. So I just write K here. Why? Because only 2 people sit to the left of K. Okay, L is to the immediate right of N. Okay, L is immediate right of N. So if you see that, this is not correct. Why? Because L is immediate right of N. Okay, L is immediate right of N. Okay, so L and O are neighbors. This is the combination. N, L, O will be there. Okay, next see that P is an immediate neighbor of both K and N. Okay, so P is, see that P is an immediate neighbor of both K and N. Here K is there. Okay, and if you write N here, if you write N is extreme end, so we cannot place L and O. So I am writing N here. If you write P here, you will satisfy the condition. P is immediate neighbor of K and N. N immediate right of N is L. L and O are neighbors. Okay, very good. And they given J, if J is at extreme left end of the row, we can write just J. J is extreme end of left end of row. What is the question? Who sits at extreme right end? Okay, before solving the question, we will fill the blank here. Who will sit here? Only one person is remaining, that is M is remaining. Okay, this is the sitting arrangement. Once again, see the question. See that O and see that here O and L are immediate neighbors. Yes, O and L are immediate neighbors here. Okay. Only two people sit to the left of K. Yes, only J and M are sit. Only J and M means only two people sit to immediate left of K. And P is L is, see that here. L is to the immediate right of N. Yes, L is immediate right of N. Okay, L is immediate right of N. Next, P is an immediate neighbor of K and N. Okay, P is immediate neighbor of K and N. Okay, right. Next, if J is at extreme left end of row, okay, J is at extreme left end of row, and M is immediate left of K. Okay, right. And see the question. What is the question? Who sits at extreme right end? So extreme right hand, who sits? O sits at extreme right hand. Option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. Right. See the question. The frequency distribution here gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 60 consumers. 60 consumers. Okay, 60 consumers of a locality. What is the median of the data? What is the median of the data? So here they given directly total frequency is given. Okay, right. So for median we need to find the cumulative frequency. Why? Because this is a continuous series data or group data. This is a grouped data. Okay, right. For grouped data, we need to find cumulative. If you need to find the median for grouped data, we need to find cumulative frequency. Okay, so I am writing here cumulative frequency. Okay, so I am writing here cumulative frequency. So 6 plus 8 we get 14. 14 plus 15 we get 29. 29 plus 20 we get 49. 49 plus 11 we get 60. Okay, so this is the cumulative frequency. Okay, 6 14 29 49 60, and total frequency is they given as 60. Total frequency is 60. If you sum it 6 plus 8 plus 15 plus 20 plus 11, you get 60. So what is the formula to find a median for continuous series data is, okay, so median can be represented as M or Q2. Okay, so L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into class interval size. So if you see that L is equal to a lower limit of a median class. L is equal to lower limit of a median class. And see here, N is equal to total frequency. N is equal to total frequency. Here I am writing CF means here, so this is the cumulative frequency. So here CF means a cumulative frequency preceding, okay, preceding to the frequency, model frequency. Okay, preceding to the frequency. And F is equal to median frequency. Okay, frequency, median of frequency. A class interval Ci is equal to class interval size. Class interval size. Okay, right. And see here, if you see that here, I am writing here, so q2 is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into class interval size. So first of all you need to find n by 2. Okay, n by 2, n is equal to 60 by 2, we get 30. See where in cumulative frequency where the value of 30 is there, after 29, after 29 means just draw a straight line here. Okay, so this is the frequency, this is the frequency, and this is the cumulative frequency preceding to the frequency, this is the frequency. Okay, wait, cumulative frequency 29, and 80 is the lower limit corresponding, lower limit. Okay, and see that substitute L is equal to 80 plus L is equal to 80 plus n by 2 is 30 here, n by 2 is 30 minus Cf is 29, Cf is 29 by frequency is 20, frequency is 20 into class interval size is, class interval size means nothing but upper limit minus lower limit. 90 minus 80 we get 10. Okay, so see that 80 plus, so 1 by 20 into 10, 0 0 get cancelled. So 80 plus 1 by 2 nothing but 80.5, 80.5. Option 3 is correct, option 3 is correct. Okay, right, next. And see the question here, all syllogism questions, all sugars or jaggery. Okay, so all sugars or jaggery. Okay, no jaggery is sweetener, no jaggery is sweetener. No jaggery is sweetener, there is no relation. And all sweeteners are fruits. Okay, all sweeteners or fruits. Okay, right. See the conclusion, no sugar is sweetener. Yes, no sugar is sweetener. Conclusion 1 follows. Next, some jaggeries are sweeteners. Okay, some jaggeries are sweeteners. Here jaggery is there, here sweetener is there. No, there is no relation between jaggery and sweetener. Some jaggeries are sugar. Yes, all sugars are jaggery. Some jaggery or sugar follows. Okay, so 1 and 3 follows. Okay, option 1, 1 and 2 wrong. Option 2 all wrong. Option 3, 2 and 3 no. Option 4, 1 and 3 follows. 1 and 3 follows. Okay, right, next. See the question here. A certain number of people are sitting in a row. Okay, see that here. A certain number of people are sitting in a row facing north. Okay, facing north. Facing north. Rahul is 8th place from the left end. Okay, so I am writing directly 8th place. Rahul is there here. Rahul is 8th from here left. Okay, Rahul is 8th place from left end of the row. Okay, only 11 persons are sitting between Rahul and Samar. So between Rahul and Samar, 11 persons are there. So we can find the Samar value from the left end. Why? Because 8 plus 12. Why? Because between Samar and Rahul, they are 11 friends, 11 people out there, and Samar value is plus 1. So 8 plus 12, we get 20. So Samir is 20 from left hand. Okay, Samar is 20 from left hand. Why? Because if you see that Rahul is 8, okay, and between Samar and Rahul there are 11 friends is there, between Rahul and Samar 11. So 8 plus 11 we get 19, and Samar place is plus 1, so 20. And see that Samar is at some place towards right of Rahul. Okay, correct. Okay, Mohit is to Mohit is to the immediate left of Jason, who is sitting at the extreme right hand. Okay, here Jason is there. Jason. Jason. Immediate left of Jason is Mohit. Mohit. Okay. And if you see that here, Samar is ninth place from the right end, extreme right hand. So this is the left place, and from right place Samar is ninth place. Okay. So by only, what is the question? What is the total number of persons seated? So by using this information itself, we can find the total strength. Okay. So why? Because Samar is 20 the place from left hand and ninth place from right hand. So total is equal to left side position plus right side position minus 1. So from left side Samar is 20, from right side Samar position is 9 minus 1. So 29 minus 1, 28. Okay. So total we have 28 students. Option 4 is correct. So we find Rahul position also. Okay, it is 9 plus we get 12. We get Rahul position also from right hand. Okay, if you see that here, see here the number of persons between Rahul and Samar is 11. So we can find the Samar place from the left end is 8 plus 11 plus 1, we get 20 is the Samarth place from the left. In the question they given Samarth place from the right. Okay. So total is equal to left side position plus right side position minus 1, we get the total 28. Okay. Right. Next question. Right. See the question here. P, Q, R and S. Okay, see that here. P, Q, R and S, the measures of 4 angles of a quadrilateral. Okay, or in the ratio 3 is to 5 is to 4 is to 6. Then the value of 3P plus 2R. So by seeing quadrilateral, we can say that the sum of all angles, the sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is always 360 degrees. 360 degrees. If we sum it, 3x plus 5x plus 4x plus 6x is equal to 360 degrees. The sum of all interior angles of any quadrilateral which is equal to 360 degrees. So 3x plus 5x plus 4x plus 6x is equal to 18x is equal to 360 degrees. So x is equal to 20 degrees. X is equal to 20 degrees. So what we need to find? We need to find 3p plus 2r. Okay, they given p is p comma q comma r comma s. So p is equal to 3x, q is equal to 5x, r is equal to 4x, s is equal to 6x. Okay, so we need to find 3p plus 2r. So 3p, p is equal 3 into x, x is equal 20. So 3 into 20 we get 60. Okay, p is equal to 60. So r is equal to 4x, 4 into 20. So we get 80. Okay, so p is equal to 60, p is equal to 60, r is equal to 80. Okay, here we get 180, here we get 160. So 180 plus 160 we get 340. So p plus 3p plus 2r is equal to 340. Okay, 3p plus 2r is equal to 340. Okay, right. Option 3 is correct. Next question. Right, see the question here. The sum of two positive integers is 55. Okay, the sum of two positive integers is 55. Okay, if, see that here, the sum of two positive integers is 55 if their HCF and LCM are 5 and 120. Okay, if their HCF and LCM are 5 and 120. So then the sum of their reciprocals is, okay, see here given, what is given? So the sum of two positive integers, the sum of two positive integers is 55. Okay, given sum of two positive integers is 55. Okay, HCF is given. Okay, HCF is 5 and LCM is 120. Okay, HCF is 5, LCM is 120. So let the two numbers be. Okay, let the two numbers be. Let the two numbers be 5x, okay, comma 5y. Why? Because HCF is 5. HCF is 5 means the two numbers are multiples of 5. Okay, HCF 5 means the two numbers are multiples of 5. The two numbers are 5x, 5y. Okay, right. So I am just to take the 5 multiples. Okay, why? Because so the HCF is 5 multiple, the numbers are 5 multiples. So 5 comma 10 comma 15 comma 20 comma 25 comma 30 comma 35 comma 40 comma 45 comma 50. Okay, so these the numbers are between these numbers. So what is the given? If you see that the sum of two numbers is 55, the given the sum of two numbers is 55. If you see that if we add these two numbers 50 plus 5 plus 50, we get 55, but here the LCM is 50. So 50, 5, 50 are wrong. Okay, so 5, 50 or that numbers are not. Okay, and if you see that next 10, 45. So if you consider the two numbers are 10, 45, so the LCM is 90. So these numbers are also wrong. And if you see that 15, okay, 40. Okay, 15, 40. If you see that the LCM is 120. Okay, very good. The LCM is 120 and the HCF is 5. Okay, the two numbers are, okay, the two numbers are 15, 40. So x is equal to 15, y is equal to 40. So there is some other way, but it is very simple. Why? Because the sum of two numbers is 55 and the HCF is 5, means the numbers are multiple of 5. So if you see the 20, 35, we get some 55, but the LCM goes with 114 error. If you see the 25 and 30, the LCM goes 150. Okay, so here they given the LCM is 120. So for 1540, we get the LCM is 120. Okay, and what is the question? Then the sum of the reciprocal. Then the sum of the reciprocal is, so 1 by 15 is the reciprocal of first number, 1 by 40 is the reciprocal of the second number. So if you sum that, we get denominator LCM 120, and here we get 8 and here we get 3. So 11 by 120. Okay, 11 by 120. So option 2 is correct. Okay, option 2 is correct. Okay, so the other technique is also there, taking that a into b is equal to that 55, a plus b is equal to 55, taking it is very lengthy process. So by assuming that the numbers lies between 5 to 50. Okay, right, next, and see the question here. Select the option that is related to the fifth number in the same way as the second number is related to the first number and the fourth number is related to the third number. Here they given 6 is to 150, how the second number is related to the first number, and 4 is to 36, and we need to find 5 is to what will come in the place of question mark. If you see that here, we get the number is 6 here. Okay, so 6 minus 1 square into 6, 6 minus 1 5, so 5 square into 6, we get 5 square 25 into 6 150. Are you getting? So the number just minus 1 and the square with multiply with that number, and here we see that, so 4 minus 1 square into 4, so 4 minus 1 we get 3, 3 square, okay, into 4, 3 square is 9, 9 4 36. Okay, so you can write like this number is 6 is to 150 and this number is 4 is to 36. In similar way, so 5 minus 1 square into 5, 5 minus 1 4 square into 5, 4 square is 16, 16 5s, okay, what is the number 16 5s? 80. So the logic is 5 is to 80, 5 is to 80. Okay, right, option 4 is correct. Option 4 is correct. Okay, once again see here, this number get minus 1 and square and multiple with that number. So 6 minus 1 square into 6, 4 minus 1 square into 4, 5 minus 1 square into 5. Okay, next. See the question here. If this question is based on the following three words, three letter words, that is N, A, T, P, A, L, C, O, T, T, A, N. Okay, if in each of words each letter is changed to the next letter in the English alphabetical order. Okay, once see here, if in each the words each letter is changed to the next letter in the English alphabetical order, how many words, see here, how many words thus formed will have no vowel? No vowel. If you see that here, If you see that after M, N, O is there here. After N we get O, here we get B, here we get T, U. Okay. And if you see that here we get P, Q, A after B, L after M. Because C after O you get P, here D is there, D. Here we get P, here you get T, U. Okay, T, U. Here we get T, U, A, B, N, O. If you see that here in these, after changing the next alphabetical, after that word, after that alphabet, so O, B, U, here we have at least one vowel, here we have two vowels, so this is wrong. Here we have no vowel, here we have one vowel, U is there, here we have two vowels. Okay. So, what is the question? How many words thus formed will have no vowels? Only one word that have no vowel. Q, B, M. Okay. So, option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct. Next, see the question here. 12, 61, 7. 15, 51, 6. So, what is the question is? Select the set in which the numbers are related in the same way, as or the numbers are following sets. So, first of all, see what is the logic is there in the series. 12, 61, 7. If you see that here what is the logic is, so if you observe that 12, 5 is a 60 and first number is 1. So 12 into 5 we get 60 plus 1, 61. And if you see that 15, 5 is a 70, no, that logic is not correct. And if you see that I am writing the logic is first number plus third number square. So first number plus third number square we get 49. So we get the middle number 61. Okay. So first number plus third number square we get middle number second number. In the similar way, check the second 15, 51, 60. If you see that first number plus third number square, so 15 plus 36 we get 51. Yes, the logic is first number plus third number square we get the middle number. First number plus third number square we get the middle number. Okay, right. And see which option is there. If you see that option 1, so option 1 is 20, 54, 50. So 20 plus third number square 5 square. So 20 plus 25 we get 45, but middle number is 54. So this is wrong. But middle number is 54. Actually we need to find here 45, but middle number is, this is wrong. If you see that second option, so 14, 78, 8. Okay. So first number plus third number square. So 14 plus 64 we get 78. 14 plus 64 we get 78. Yes, the middle number is 78. Option 2 is correct. Option 2 is correct. Right. Next, see the question here. A shopkeeper allows successive discount of 20% and 15%. Okay, on an item of marked price is 2000. So at what price did he sell the item? So they given the successive discount 20%, 15%. Okay, so we can solve by using assumption of 100 or directly on market price. So if you see that here the market price is 2000, okay, just minus with 20%, we get if we minus 20% of 2000 is 400. So 1600 is there, and that here they are giving 15%. So 15% of 1600 is, so 10% is 160 and 5% is 80, we get 240. Just minus with the 240, you get 5, we get 31630 is the selling price. 1360 is the selling price. Okay, so these are the some aptitude and reasoning questions which are asked in RRB Group D exam, which was held on 25th August 2022 in shift 1. Okay, in next live session we will continue some more questions and aptitude and reasoning. So if you follow our live sessions, so it is very helpful for your exam, competitive exam. Okay, thank you.